So hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Prithvi Kumar. So now today we are going to see the fifth standard second chapter, that is shadow. It's one of the very beautiful chapter. So आपको इसको पूरा देखना चाहिए वीडियो को and enjoy करना चाहिए, ठीक है? So today we are seeing the which chapter? Shadow. So shadow, all of you know that, right? Shadow from my side, shadow is our one of the friend, है ना? जहां जहां हम जाएंगे वहां वहां हमारे पास क्या रहेगी? शैडो रहेगी. Isn't it? Understood? All of you. ऐसा कौन है जिसके पास शैडो नहीं है? Raise the hand. All of you has the shadow? Yes. Very good. Why, Kinjan, you don't have shadow? आपके शैडो नहीं है? है ना? Very good. Okay. तो आप खुद खाना खाते हो या शैडो को खाना खिलाते हो? अरे शैडो को नहीं खिलाते हो? Very good. So now let's see shadow. Children often play chasing game. Often play chasing game. Chasing game means that is a पकड़ा पकड़ी. You know that? है ना? पकड़ा पकड़ी खेलते होंगे ना आप लोग? So in that what happening means this is a game of more than one people. है ना? यानी कि एक बंदा खेल सकेगा क्या? No. We want lot of the people in that game so they can play that a chasing game. Okay? In a chasing game, as in a game, the player who chases is called it. It मतलब यहाँ पे meaning दिया हुआ है आपको नीचे. Means in there is a player. Means one or more player are there to playing a game to touching to the each other. Okay? Touch करना पड़ता है. But then he will try to touch to the other. ऐसा ही गेम रहता है ना. This is like it. Okay? He chases the other and tries to touch one of them. The one who gets touched becomes it, who in turn tries to touch another player. Means in that chasing game, what happened? Lots tens players are there. And they are running here and there, and that player who has the game, है ना? जिस पे गेम रहता है, who is trying to touching. He trying to touch to the one of them. 10 प्लेयर है, उसमें से एक को टच करेगा, राइट? सपोज परी, इंद्रायणी, अजय, रोशन, दीप आर रनिंग. ओके, गेम ऑन दी किंचन सपोज. सो किंचन विल ट्राई टू कैच द वन ऑफ देम, राइट? वन शी कैच टू द परी विल द गेम. परी हैज द गेम एंड परी विल ट्राई टू टच another one of them, right? So this is called the chasing game. What is called? Chasing game. That is called chasing game. But we have another game. We can play it in alone. यानी कि हमें ऐसा गेम हमारे पास है जो कि जिसमें हमें किसी की जरूरत नहीं है. We can play alone also. Alone यानी अकेले भी खेल सकते हैं. That is what that shadow game. What that shadow game. Okay. Children have fun chasing each other's shadows, right? Again, there is a one game. There is a shadows. देखो सबकी shadow रहती है, right? So can you try that? Yes, मेरी भी shadow है. Can you try that? You will catch your shadow. कभी आपने ऐसा देखा है कि खुद की shadow पकड़ने की कोशिश की है क्या? हाँ? No. So ऐसा भी होता है कि children have fun chasing each other's shadows. ऐसा भी गेम होता है कि बच्चे भागते हैं, उनके साथ उनकी शैडो भी भागेगी. तो जिस पे गेम रहेगा वो क्या करेगा? वो उसको नहीं टच करेगा, उसकी शैडो को टच करेगा. दैट इज वन ऑफ द शैडो चेजिंग गेम. शैडो टैग इज वन सच गेम. इन दिस गेम द प्लेयर हु इज इट ट्राइज टू स्टेप ऑन द शैडो ऑफ वन ऑफ द अदर प्लेयर. एंड दिस गेम रिक्वायर एन एम्पायर हु डिसाइड वेदर इट हैज स्टेप ऑन अ शैडो और नॉट. To play this game, there must be light or sunshine, right? Means if you want to play the shadow game, touching the shadow, पहले कौन सा था? chasing game था. हाथ लगा दिया तो उसके ऊपर गेम आ जाता था. So he will again run and he will again try to touch one of them. But shadow chasing game में क्या होता है? There is a game shadow chasing game. What that? Shadow chasing game. Shadow chasing game means players are running and also running with their shadow. they are running with their shadow. So who has the game? They have to go on touch on their shadow. मीन्स हम अभी उसको हाथ में लगाएंगे, उसके हम किसको हाथ लगाएंगे? उसके शैडो के ऊपर जाके खड़े हो जाएंगे. मतलब शैडो के ऊपर जाके खड़े हो गए तो मीन्स वो आउट हो गया मतलब उस पर गेम आ जाएगा. राइट? So this is one of the game. But for this game we want the sunlight, sunshine, light we want. Then we can play this game. हम इसको नाइट में खेल पाएंगे क्या? No. But नाइट में खेल पाएंगे, but we want the light. हमें क्या चाहिए? लाइट, अदरवाइज सनशाइन या फिर सनलाइट. Isn't it? Yes. Understood all of you? Yes. Good. After that, you also need a big open space where the player can run around with the bumping. Okay? And into a thing. Have you ever played shadow tag with your friend? Means if you want to play this game. Shadow chasing game you want to play, so for that we want a big ground, right? We want a big place for the running, and then we can play this game, right? Yes. So have you played this game with any of your friend? किसी ने खेला है ये game? So guys, if you have played this game, so you have to comment of your friend name. Okay? So now आपने खेला है किसी ने? नो, कभी नहीं खेला है? खेल के देखिए. वेरी गुड. अजय हैज प्लेड द गेम. वेरी गुड. दीप आल्सो. नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू आर नाउ रेजिंग द हैंड, राइट? ओके. सो जिसने भी अगर खेला है तो प्लीज कमेंट द नेम. ओके. देयर इज अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग गेम. अगेन देयर इज अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग गेम विद द शैडो नेम. सो with what type of another game that is? We call it a finger shadow. Finger shadow. To play this game you need only your hand. If you want to play this game, so you don't want other player, you want your only hand. आपको सिर्फ किसकी जरूरत है? आपके hands की जरूरत है, आपकी fingers की जरूरत है. Right? After that, a bright light and clear wall. और क्या चाहिए हमें? अ ब्राइट लाइट एंड क्लियर वॉल. क्लियर वॉल मतलब पूरी क्लीन वॉल. Isn't it? After that, there is no need of an umpire or a partner. There is no need of any partner. कोई पार्टनर की वहां पे जरूरत नहीं होती है. After that, also you can play it all alone by yourself. You can play it by yourself in your home also, anywhere also, but just you want sunlight or light. Isn't it? So then you can play it yourself also in any class, right? But it wants sunlight and also want a clear wall. हमें क्या चाहिए उसके लिए? Clear wall चाहिए and also sunlight. That is the third game is that finger shadow. What that name? Finger shadow. Third game is finger shadow. Isn't it? So how it's played? Let's see in the book. You have a picture. Hold up your hand, which is the light shining behind them. If suppose the light is coming from here, okay, light is coming from here. So you have to do just like you have to. You can do anything and according to the picture, okay, and then you can look your shadow this side. Isn't it? Understood? After that, try to make the shape of bird flying or of a dog or a sheep. So you can make there is a trick that you can saw in your textbook. So you can make a bird, you can make a dog, you can make a sheep. Look at this picture. It will show you how to do it. Isn't it interesting? Is it interesting to do this? मजा आता है ऐसा करने में? Yes, sir. Means when the light is gone in your home and then you are trying to do that, right? Yes. So that is very interesting. मैं भी करता था बचपन में. It's not. When I was a child, so at that time I'm also doing that thing. Okay. So it's a very interesting. Try and make some shapes on your own. So if you want to discuss yours another, अभी यहाँ पे तो bird का बना हुआ है, dog और sheep का बना हुआ है. So you can make your own. आप अपने मर्जी से भी अलग अलग टाइप के शेप्स बना सकते हो. After that, now do you know what makes a shadow? There has to be light, and there has to be something blocking the light. When you are outside during the day, lights come from the sun. If you block the sunlight, you will see a shadow on the other side of you. Means, suppose shadow means sunlight is coming here, right?
Yes.
Sunlight is coming here, sunlight is falling. Sometimes what happen in our home, there is a window, right? Small window is there, right? Just like here there is a window, but there is no sunlight, so some window is there. So at a time when in the morning directly sunlight falls from that window and came inside the home, right? So inside the home, so there is some design of that window. Have you seen that?
Yes.
पता है ना आपको, ऐसी डिजाइन आपको दिखाई देगी जो भी जिससे निकलती है सनलाइट, तो यू कैन लुक एट फॉर द डिजाइन, राइट? एंड व्हेन यू एंटर इन दैट, अगर हम ऐसे खड़े हो गए उसके बीच में, सो दैट डिजाइन विल ऑन योर शर्ट, इजंट इट? या फिर हाथ पे भी आपकी डिजाइन आ सकती है उसकी, राइट? सो इट इज ऑल्सो द वन ऑफ द प्लेइंग गेम. अगर हम घर पे बोर हो रहे हैं तो यू कैन प्ले दैट गेम, राइट? आफ्टर दैट, how you seen your shadow at different time of the day. Sometimes it looks long and skinny, sometimes it looks long and skinny, at other time it looks short and fat. So sometimes what happen, sometimes you can see that shadow, sometimes you can see that shadow means it has a different shapes, right? It's have sometimes that is very fat, right? Fat, sometimes very slimy, है ना? Sometimes very thinner, right? That is the one of the shadows type. The size and the shape of the shadow depends on where the sun is in the sky. That is depend. अगर आपकी size, that's a depends on the sun. That is depend on the sun. That is depend on the sun. Okay? Where is the sun in the sky? अगर sun यहाँ पे होगा, so then you can, ओके, सन कैसा है, इधर है कि ऊपर है क्या नहीं. अगर हमारे ऊपर रहेगा सो वी कैन नॉट सी द शैडो, राइट? सो शैडो ऐसे आएगी, छोटी आ जाएगी शैडो. सन जैसे जैसा नीचे नीचे जाएगा तो योर शैडो विल बी गेटिंग लॉन्ग एंड लॉन्ग एंड लॉन्ग, राइट? Isn't it? How do you know that? Very good. So if the sun is right overhead, the shadow will be short and fat. अगर सन जो है आपके राइट ओवरहेड रहा तो दैट विल बी द fat and short. When the sun is lower in the sky, and the shadow will be long and skinny. sun अगर lower side में रहता है, so shadow कैसी रहेगी? Long and skinny रहेगी. Have you ever been frightened by a strange shadow in your bedroom at night? Now tell me that when you are going to sleeping, right? When you are sleeping, isn't it? Another time what happening? Had you sometime I have done this thing. So had you means when I was at your age at that time, I just played that thing. I'm just sleeping at that time, so I seen the shadow, my shadow on my wall. So I am just fighting with my shadow. Had you done this thing? आपने किया है ऐसा कभी? आप सो रहे हो और ऐसा कभी करके देखिए, बड़ा मजा आएगा. It's also one of the interesting person. ठीक है? What did you find when you switch on the light? How was the shadow caused? What do you find when you switch on the light? आपको क्या दिखेगा when you switch on the light? How was the shadow caused? Anything that blocks light can make a shadow on your bedroom wall. Even after dark, you can see shadows if there is a moonlight or street light beaming through the window. You can make your own shadow, make a flashlight and shine it on a small object. Look past the object and you will see its shadow. If you want it, so there is not a meaning of that. Means when the sunlight will be there, so you can. It is not right. You can take it into the, you can experience it into the on the moonlight also. है ना? Moonlight भी रहता है, so then also we can do that, isn't it? Understood?
Yes.
है ना? तो मूनलाइट रहती है, देन ऑल्सो साथ में हमारा स्ट्रीट रहता है. स्ट्रीट यानी ऐसे क्या पाथ रहता है, फुटपाथ वगैरह, हम घूमने वगैरह जाते हैं. देखो सड़क पे गलियों में घूमने जाते हैं, सो देयर इज अ स्ट्रीट. सड़क पे नहीं क्या घूमने, तो वॉकिंग को जाते हैं, जॉगिंग को जाते हैं. आफ्टर द डिनर वी आर गोइंग ऑन अ वॉक, राइट? So at a time what happened? So there is a street light. ऐसे खंबे होते हैं. There is a light on the roads, right? Road side में light होती है. So then when we are going to walk, so we can also observe the shadow, right? Shadow also walking. We are walking, that shadow also walking with us. Okay? So if you want to play this game, so you have to take today you have to take one torch, switch off the light, and do the get the mobile phone. There is a flashlight, and try to take the flashlight off on the flashlight and take anything in front of that light, so you can get the shadow on the wall, isn't it? So you can in this type you can make anything type of shadow, isn't it? Any design of shadow, isn't it? So if you are feeling lone, देखो इसका मतलब क्या है, ये चैप्टर इसलिए दिया आपको. इफ यू आर फीलिंग लोनलीनेस, रात कभी फ्रेंड नहीं आते हैं या कोई नहीं आता है, तो हाउ यू हैव टू प्ले इन योर होम, तो यू कैन प्ले विथ योर शैडो. दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग, isn't it? I hope do you understood this chapter? Have you understood? Yes. Very good. So I will talk my fans. This is, so if you want to play with play the game, so please play the shadow game. If you are playing very lonely, so you can play with your shadow. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you have understood this. If you haven't understood anything, so comment me, and you have to also comment this shadow game you have, this shadow chasing game, had you played in your life or not. You have to comment of your friend name. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching Prithvi Kumar channel.